Under the Companies tab, you can view the companies that you have listed. You can identify on which company the lead, prospect, or customer belongs to by linking them together. You can create a record of a company by clicking this button. Fill out all the details about the company: name, legal name, company type, industry, company size, number of employees, about, description of the company, contact information, email, phone, website, address, and social media account details. You can also add information about the company's employee list. Once the information is finalized, click the Save button.